Hello, Safety John with AIM Transportation Solutions bringing you this week's Safety Bulletin. We're going to review tire inspections this week. Let's start with cuts, tears, and bulges. We're looking for any cuts that expose any ply material in the tire itself, in addition to any tears along the sidewall, and we're looking for any bulges larger than 3/8 of an inch off the surface of the tire itself. Tread depth, we're looking at a minimum of 4/32 of an inch on front steer tires and a minimum of 2/32 of an inch on the drive tires and trailer tires. Inflation, ensure that your tires are inflated to the proper PSI. Driver managers, dispatchers, when talking to your drivers, reinforce the fact that they need to do a full tire inspection during their pre-trip, post-trip, and en route inspections during the course of their workday. So the bottom line, as the saying goes, inspect your tires before you go, or you may have nowhere to go.